Let's start.
Fry your potatoes first. Make sure they are fried until they are brown in color. Remove them and prepare the other ingredients. Boil your tomatoes, then peel off the skin of the tomato and make a tomato paste. Cut your onions in smaller pieces. Add your tomato paste which I made.
Stir very well to incorporate the tomato paste.
Add cayenne pepper which is optional.
Add some water and cover to cook for a few minutes. Serve hot with rice and meat. Thank you for watching. Add cayenne pepper which is optional. Add some water and cover to cook for a few minutes. Serve hot with rice and meat. Thank you for watching.